Do you often get that sudden, sharp toothache that ruins your day? Whether it's triggered by something cold or caused by swollen gums, you don't need medication this time. All you need is an easy, natural home remedy. This simple trick not only eases the pain, but also helps fight harmful bacteria. 1. First, take a little turmeric powder. It's a natural antiseptic. 2. Add a few drops of mustard oil. It strengthens gums and reduces swelling. 3. Mix them well to make a thick paste. 4. Gently apply this paste to the painful tooth or gums. 5. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a day, and you'll notice quick relief from both pain and inflammation. That's it. Just 2 simple ingredients from your kitchen can help you get rid of toothache. Completely natural, no side effects. Subscribe and follow me for more healthy tips like this.